Introducing healthcare scientists. They like science, doing research, innovating, educating, improving and leading. Could this be you? If so, it's something you could do straight from school, after university, or even by changing career within the NHS. Healthcare scientists work across more than 50 different disciplines. You'll find them carrying out tests in labs for dangerous viruses like COVID-19, developing patient pathways, doing genomic analysis and diagnosing cancer, looking at hearts and lungs, the nervous system, evaluating vision and hearing. It's working closely with patients and using technology to diagnose any abnormalities, driving improvements in diagnosis and treatment, as well as maintaining patient safety and managing specialist equipment within a hospital. Combining biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics and statistics to analyse and interpret clinical data. Working out when something inside us is going wrong using X-rays and scans. That's the job of a diagnostic radiographer. Therapeutic radiographers use their skills to treat patients for cancer. Think of healthcare science as a launchpad for a career with unlimited potential. You could do work-based learning, or a degree in healthcare science, or a 3-year postgrad and work your way up to consultant level, maybe doing a doctorate along the way. It's a mix of on-the-job and classroom training, and there are funding opportunities available to help you on your way. We want you to work in Wales and stay in Wales, where you can reach for the stars both academically and executively.